we're recording again. This is my part 3 with both cameras. Well, for now, anyway. I don't know how part 2. Oh, God. Oh, my God.
That's a little too close for comfort, even for us.
Can you believe that we caught right back up to this thing and got right in it?
I can't. This thing had to have built
and
up.
of all things, it builds up right in Wayne County. Right where I didn't think it would build up.
Lightning is literally right over it. That's why I'm kind of scared of it. Like that.
We got some lights out, but not all. I just think that's the lightning affecting it.
Yeah. You going as blind as I am?
We just need to get to the elementary school. I'm not worried about going any further than that.
Yeah, me neither. I think we've got what we need right here. Wow.
I can't really
Look
see
at the wind.
It's going to be a heck of a story to tell my dad when I get home. And my mom, because she's probably home.
I feel like we could be in more than a hurricane right now.
I feel like we're in a monsoon. This is worse than what it was earlier.
Literally trying to blow me off the road.
This is much needed rain. Much needed. The lightning's going to help green the grass up just a little bit.
Yeah. Really helpful.
Really hard to see him. I can't see him. I see him. You're good.
You know, I think Mother Nature knew we needed the rain, but she gave it to us all at once. We're home free now.
I don't think the parking lot lights are working here.
Yeah, they should be on.
Oh my goodness. I got a rain going like that. Oh my God. Well, I'm going to roll that up just a little bit. There we go. Here, you want to hold it?
Sure. Oh, you started new parts for me?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks. I'm just gonna edit those later.
I gotta call my dad. I'm sorry, but there's a lot of people I gotta call right now. I got it facing that way.
Yeah.
Come on. I'm at the elementary school parking lot, just so everybody knows. Yeah, we went all the way down to southern Henry County, and then we were out of it completely, and then we caught right back up to it. I thought it did. It looked like it was out when we passed.
It's out? Wow.
But yeah. You didn't have to drive. You didn't have to drive in this, did you? Okay. You saw it coming though, didn't you? Alright. I'm getting a lot of good pictures. I got a couple of them I want to show you at the very beginning when we were in Southern Henry. Alright. Bye. Everybody's all good. My mom was joking with me.
Jeez.
I got another person I need to text like right now. Where's the tree line?
I don't even. Oh, we've got a nice orange glow to the back of us.
Remember, we got a rainbow over here.
Yeah.
Would you like to call your mother?
We have power.
I think you guys have power. Looks like there's a few street lights on. I don't know why they're not on here.
I bet she probably knows that the first thing we did is go after this thing, so she's probably freaking out.
Finally, a storm YouTube broke.
We have a nice breeze coming from the back, because that window's going to stay cracked a little bit.
Yeah.
There's a clearing.